Welcome back to the Kitchen of Meals with Mills. In this episode we are making corned beef chop suey with potato salad. This is what we'll be having for dinner, and my cooking partner here wanted to learn how to make corned beef chop suey, which is one of her favorite meals, isn't it, Marina?
Yeah.
So let's start cooking, everyone. These are the ingredients for our chop suey. We've got onions, dark soy sauce, oil, black pepper, garlic, ginger, magic seasoning, fast noodle or vermicelli noodle, mixed veggies, and our chicken stock. So those are our ingredients for the chop suey. And on the other side, we've got the ingredients for our potato salad. We've got potatoes boiled with skin. We've got eggs, onions, spring onion, and our Japanese mayonnaise. And then of course black pepper we will add as we continue on with preparing our recipe. Alright, so I am going to peel the potatoes. And then I'll put it in here. Perhaps you can just cut it in half, like, cubes, just like that. Yeah?
Oops. Why are you laughing, Grimmy? It's not funny.
Whatever.
One more time and I'm not cooking with you anymore.
Fine.
That's what I thought. Oh, too many potatoes, Brim.
You wanted potato salad, thank you.
Because we need to eat chop suey with it.
Yeah, I love chop suey potato salad.
At least I'm helping you. My hands are messy. Kids.
See, watch the professionals cutting potatoes.
Why'd you get a board then?
I got it for you. I shouldn't say professional. Hey, stop eating on camera.
Excuse me, you're in my way. I'm trying to cut and
Stop eating.
Excuse me, you should be over here. They can't see you and you're late.
Okay, so while our potatoes are still nice and warm, we will add our onions.
Can we mash the potatoes? Or they have to be...
Yeah, that's why I cook it that way, because...
Oh yeah, potato, yeah, the salad.
Yeah, because it's potato
It's not-
salad, not mashed potato. While you're doing that, I'm just going to grate our eggs.
Is that your hand?
No.
Good.
Yeah, that's it, but... Excuse it. Alright.
Listen to the main...
Well, you add the eggs in while I add it, just tip it in while I Okay, so you gently mix in the eggs with the potatoes.
Wait, do we add mayo after?
Yeah, I don't want to add it now because it's still warm. The potatoes are still warm. You can start with that and I'll do the rest. Just gently.
Whoa.
Is it easier to use this one?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
so scared I'm gonna break the potatoes.
Just gently. So what you do, once your pot is hot, you can add some oil.
So I just sweated it.
That's it.
Bad start to the chop suey.
So this is literally very quick because the corned beef doesn't take long to cook. I'll open your can of Pisupo. Next one, you are going to add your onions. Yeah. Half of the Pisupo. And mix it in with the onions. I'm going to add some garlic and some ginger as well. Leave it cook for a little bit.
10 minutes. Wow.
Yeah, the Pisupo is so quick, isn't it? This is the only ingredient you have to cook longer is the onions. Like, make sure it's nice golden but not burnt. I'm going to go ahead and add our magic flavouring. Just add enough according to your taste and liking. And make sure it's not too salty. We're not using any salt. That's the only salt that we will need from the flavouring, the stock, and a little bit from the dark soy sauce. Once the onions will cook well, then we'll add the noodle, vermicelli.
Gonna be yummy.
Most definitely, baby, it will be.
Starting to pop, people. Gonna get burned. Put up the viewers, please.
Let's add our noodle now. I've washed the noodle.
Just leave it like this. Slowly melting, people. Oh wow. No.
Okay.
What do I do?
Just stir it gently with the
4 bags of rice. Noodles. So we'll just leave it till I melt?
No, we're gonna add. At this stage, we will add our chicken stock or beef stock.
Ah, that's how it works.
And we will also add our soy sauce.
Sweet. It's gonna look good, man.
So sometimes people soak the noodle first in water before adding. I don't. I just wash it and then put it straight in the pot, because if I do that, sometimes it can overcook. I don't want the noodles. Oh, sorry.
No, that's alright.
Add the rest of this stock. Smells amazing.
Amazing.
Oh.
It's amazing,
No,
not amazing.
No, someone I know of say amazing in a funny way. Oh.
Bad start to Chopsuey premium.
Okay, I'll add more chicken stock or water. Okay.
It's turning into Chopsuey.
Okay, let's finish off our potato salad. And we're just going to add about a cup of the Japanese mayonnaise, and we'll mix that through. I'm going to add some sprinkle of black pepper, not too much, and then I will add the spring onion last to my one, because some members of my family, they don't like spring onion in their potato salad, so I will add mine separately. So I'm just going to grate the rest of the eggs, and then we're done with our potato salad. Feel free to add salt as well, according to your taste. Alright, that's it. Now I'm going to add my mixed veggies last. I don't want to overcook the veggies, just mix it through.
Best meal ever.
Okay, so we're just heating through the mixed veggies. I'll add some black pepper. Okay, I'll give this a taste to check if I need to add more salt. Perfect. I don't need to add more salt. It's salty enough, and it's nice and tasty with all those flavoring. And we will serve and taste our meal. Families and friends, we have finished our cooking, our potato salad and corned beef chopsuey that was requested by Marina to have for dinner. What do you think, Marina? Did you enjoy that cooking?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the cooking?
The salad.
Making the salad. Let me say something about the salad. My tip, and I know everyone makes their potato salad differently, but for my tip, I like boiling the potatoes with the skin and then peel it after and chop and then make my potato salad after that. Sometimes I peel the skin, but I find it that cooking the potatoes with the skin and then peel after is more tastier. Everyone's different, but that's my opinion. It tastes much better boiling the potatoes with the skin and then chop it after and make the potato salad the way you want. So let's go ahead and taste our food, Marina, and then we'll go from there. We said the prayer already.
Salad is sweet.
My favorite combination is chopsuey and salad, potato salad. Always. Yum. So this is dinner for tonight. Chopsuey with potato salad, corned beef chopsuey. Yum.
Rating? Rating 9 out of 10. What about you?
I don't know. It's my recipe, so I better let you rate, but I'm happy with whatever rating that you give me. But I just love having chopsuey with potato salad. So that's our cooking tonight, everyone. Once again, thank you so much for all those who have subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate the support that we've received in the past few weeks from everyone. It means a lot to our family to have the support. We've got a long way to go, but we're more excited to share our recipes with everyone and hope that it will help someone out there. May you have a safe 2022 and we will catch up in the next episode. Stay tuned for more wonderful recipes coming up. Did you have fun, Marina, cooking with me?
Yeah, I did.
Really?
Yeah. I like this meal.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. This is your favorite meal. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course I enjoy my favorite meals.
Thank you to my partner for cooking with me. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and click the like button if you like any of the videos that you view, and turn that post notification on so you can be notified for more videos in the future. Take care, be safe, love you all from Minced family.